Get ready, brains. Artificial quiz is back, and today we're stuffing 20 more facts into your head like a suitcase that definitely won't close. Let's see if your neurons can handle the pressure. Question 1. What is the chemical symbol for silver? A, O. B, SN. C, PB. D, AG. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer, D, AG. It comes from the Latin word argentum. So next time someone calls you argentum tongue, just know they're saying you talk like expensive jewelry. Question 2. How many planets are there in our solar system? A, 9. B, 7. C, 10. D, 8. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer, D, 8. Pluto used to be number 9 until scientists demoted it in 2006. Somewhere out in space, Pluto was still filing a complaint. Question 3. How many chambers does the human heart have? A, 3. B, 2. C, 5. D, 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer, D, 4. 2 atria, 2 ventricles, working together non-stop since before you were even born. Your heart has never once taken a coffee break. Question 4. Which is the largest mammal on Earth? A, African elephant. B, giraffe. C, hippopotamus. D, blue whale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer, D, blue whale. A blue whale's heart alone can weigh as much as a small car. Somewhere in the ocean, a whale is casually outboarding your entire vehicle. Question 5. What is the official currency of the United Kingdom? A, Euro. B, US dollar. C, Swiss franc. D, pound sterling. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer, D, pound sterling. It's one of the oldest currencies still in use today, dating back over 1,000 years. That money has been paying for tea longer than most countries have existed. Question 6. Who painted the Mona Lisa? A, Michelangelo. B, Raphael. C, Donatello. D, Leonardo da Vinci. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer, D, Leonardo da Vinci. He painted her with no eyebrows, and centuries later, people are still debating why she's smiling. Honestly, with that much attention, anyone would smirk a little. Question 7. Which is the smallest country in the world by area? A, Monaco. B, San Marino. C, Liechtenstein. D, Vatican City. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer, D, Vatican City. It's smaller than most golf courses, yet it runs its own postal system, radio station, and government. Small country, enormous confidence. Question 8. How many colors are traditionally recognized in a rainbow? A, 6. B, 5. C, 8. D, 7. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer, D, 7. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Sir Isaac Newton basically decided a rainbow needed to match a musical scale, and nobody argued with him. Question 9. Which is the fastest land animal in the world? A, lion. B, pronghorn antelope. C, greyhound. D, cheetah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer, D, cheetah. A cheetah can hit about 110 kilometers per hour in just a few seconds. it could get a speeding ticket on most highways and still have time for a nap after. Question 10. Which is the largest hot desert in the world? A. Gobi Desert. B. Kalahari Desert. C. Arabian Desert. D. Sahara Desert. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer, D. Sahara Desert. It's almost as big as the entire United States. And somehow, despite being made almost entirely of sand, it still doesn't have enough for a decent beach day. Question 11. What is the capital city of France? A. Marseille. B. Lyon. C. Nice. D. Paris. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer, D. Paris. Home to the Eiffel Tower, which was originally built as a temporary structure. 200 years of temporary later, it's still standing strong. Question 12. How many players are allowed on a soccer team on the field during a match? A. 10. B. 9. C. 12. D. 11. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer, D. 11. 11 players, 1 ball, and about 90 minutes of everyone insisting it wasn't a foul. Some traditions never change. Question 13. Which chemical element has the symbol O? A. Gold. B. Osmium. C. Oganet. D. Oxygen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer, D. Oxygen. You've been breathing this element non-stop since the moment you were born, and somehow you still forget to thank it. Question 14. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Saturn. B. Neptune. C. Uranus. D. Jupiter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer, D. Jupiter. Jupiter is so massive that more than 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. It's basically the solar system's biggest bully, and nobody's brave enough to say anything. Question 15. Who wrote the novel 1984? A. Aldous Huxley. B. Ray Bradbury. C. H.G. Wells. D. George Orwell. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer, D. George Orwell. He wrote it in 1949, imagining a future full of constant surveillance. These days, it feels less like fiction and more like a documentary. Question 16. How many legs does a spider have? A. 6. B. 10. C. 4. D. 8. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer, D. 8. 8 legs and 0 chill. Spiders are technically not even insects, they're arachnids, which is basically the universe's way of saying these ones are extra. Question 17. Which is the longest wall ever built by humans? A. Berlin Wall. B. Hadrian's Wall. C. Western Wall. D. Great Wall of China. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer, D. Great Wall of China. It stretches over 21,000 kilometers when counting all its branches. Someone really committed to building the world's longest keep out sign. Question 18. Which is the largest coral reef system in the world? A. Red Sea Coral Reef. B. Belize Barrier Reef. C. New Caledonia Barrier Reef. D. Great Barrier Reef. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer, D. Great Barrier Reef. It's so large it can be seen from outer space. Fish down there are basically living in the ocean's biggest apartment complex. Question 19. Which is the first element on the periodic table? A. Helium. B. Carbon. C. Lithium. D. Hydrogen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer, D. Hydrogen. It's the simplest and lightest element in the universe, made of just one proton and one electron. Basically, the entire universe started with the chemistry equivalent of a rough draft. Question 20. How many rings are on the Olympic flag? A. 4. B. 6. C. 7. D. 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer, D. 5. Each ring represents one inhabited continent, all interlocked to symbolize unity. It's basically the world's most famous group hug. And there it is, 20 more facts locked permanently into your memory banks. If you nailed every single one, you didn't just watch a quiz, you graduated from it. Welcome to the Artificial Quiz Hall of Legends. Now go impress someone at dinner tonight.